Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly. For today's video, it's a new year and we have a lot of new makeup for you guys. I'm so excited to show you guys all of the makeup that I have gotten for Christmas and that I purchased myself throughout the holiday season. I am missing like 2 items because I forgot them in my sister's house in a bag, but neither here nor there. I just want to share everything with you guys today and whatnot, so let's just jump right into it. And before we do that though, don't forget to subscribe. I see you. Subscribe. First and foremost, I'm going to start off with a couple of tools. I might jump back and forth between tools as I dig them out of this huge basket I have sitting next to me. I'm going to talk about this Morphe M439 brush that I recently got in the new year, and I just actually wet it with coffee. So I just wet everything on my station here with coffee. Yay me. I just got this and I've already started using it and I absolutely love it. I don't know what I was waiting on. I was sleeping on Morphe brushes and I absolutely love this a lot. Like, it's so great. Blends out foundation like a dream. No matter what foundation it is, it just goes to work. And I gotta go wash it because it's so freaking dirty. Love this brush though. The other product that I did get, that's a brush. I did get this free brush from Sephora for being a VIB Rouge member for the holiday season. They give you these like little gifts every year, which I think is really cute. I actually haven't opened it to even see what kind of brush it is. Already really love the packaging. What kind of brush is this though? Oh dear, there's a lot of packaging. I feel like this might be a bit of like a contouring brush. Like, it says it's a Pro Mini Flawless Airbrush, and this is the 56.5. I do have the 55.5 or 50.5, but I love this, and I love the color of this brush. This is really cute. Thank you, Sephora. Just getting some things out of my way so I can really show you guys. Christmas gift that I got from my sister was definitely this amazing NYX Lip Suede Cream Vault. I absolutely love this. I am going to do a swatch video for you guys of all 30 shades. My lips are going to die, but I'm going to do it because I think it'll be really exciting to do. And there's a couple of new shades in here, and I just want to see what all of these look like on me. So yeah, I'm really excited. And I actually don't think I own any of these because I've never purchased the liquid suede formula from them at all. Another product that I have is the Colored Rain Cheers to the Beauty palette. I did keep it in this because I wanted to show you guys how well packaged this came. My sister also got this for me for Christmas, but my sister doesn't believe in like wrapping gifts, so she just left it in the box and said, hey, Merry Christmas. I mean, appreciate it nonetheless. Thanks, you know what I mean? I love this. This is so well packaged. They were like, yo, nothing is going to break this year when we're sending out our product, and I really appreciate that from them. This is what the palette looks like. This outside covering, and you slide it out. Still the same, like, cheers. I actually really love this, like, cheers to the beauty, cheers to, you know, people going out there and doing things in makeup. I absolutely really love it. And this is what the shades look like inside. I'm gonna fold that back so you guys don't get blinded. Super excited for this highlight. Maybe we can do a couple of swatches. Okay, so let me pull up my sleeves for you guys so we can do a couple of swatches. Let me see if they say anything about these shadows behind. No, they're all shadows. This is a cruelty-free product, so go Colored Rain, but I don't think this is vegan because it contains Debonair. The color Debonair contains carmine, this red color here, so that's not, it makes it not vegan. But let's swatch this highlighter, Luxurious Bling. Ooh, that is so pretty. It has this really nice like pinky reflex. Sorry guys, I actually am a terrible swatcher. Let me make that better. I don't know if you guys can see it. It has a really nice pinky reflex. I think I'm gonna love that. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's like a paler version of Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. I'm gonna go ahead and do this shade Opulence. Oh God, I'm just gonna do a few of them just to show you guys what they look like. So that's Opulent, and then that other one is Black Butterfly. Oh my god, I'm running out of fingers. Let me just do one more for Grandeur. Tell me that's not just gorgeous. Oh, Colored Rain has my soul when it comes to shadows. I absolutely love their eyeshadows, and I think that they do a beautiful job with just the way they do everything. And it's Black owned, so you know, shout out to the sisters. Okay. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm obviously going to do a review video for you guys on this palette, so stay tuned for that. There's going to be a lot of reviews in January, I can tell that, because I got to get these videos out while the product is hot, you know what I mean. Next product that I got, I did get the JackieAinaxArtistCouture collaboration. This is the little bag that it comes with, and then I got the Le Peach and LeBron's. I never had LeBron's before, so I got LeBron's as well. I just got the whole package. I absolutely love the packaging on these. Rose gold is gorgeous. This is what the shades look like. I'm going to do a first impressions on these because I've never used loose highlighters before. Well, the only one I used was the Kylie one, but I want to see what these are like, because I think these shades will agree with me more than Kylie. No shade. And this one is Le Peach in there. Super gorgeous highlight packaging. I love rose gold. I live for rose gold, so thank you, Jackie, for loving rose gold. Another product that I've also been using, but I mean I did recently get as well, I just wanted to share with you guys, is the Touch in Sol No Pore Blend Primer. I do really like this primer. I think it does a good job. Now, it's not my Becca and it's not my Hourglass, but then again, this is $19, so I can't really like be expecting $50, you know, type of, you know, working when it's $19, but it does do the job for when I'm going to work and stuff, and I love using this. I think it does a really good job. I'm really into it. Jumping into ColourPop, I did get their Crystal Priming Spray. Oh, this is a priming spray. Oh dear. I thought that this was a setting spray. I got the one in the amethyst. Let's just pull it out of here. It is a glass bottle, and I'm kind of afraid. I don't want to break it. Let's just spray to see how it smells. It smells pretty decent, but like, I feel like I can't get like a real smell from it since I didn't smell it on my face. But I like this packaging a lot, although ColourPop, we could have gotten a couple more product in there, but I won't complain. But we could have gotten a little bit more. That's okay though, that's okay. This was like $6, so I'm not gonna complain. I also got this ColourPop bronzer in the shade Bits and Pieces here, and then they sent me the little package to like put it in. I really hope that this is my like, I got the darkest shade that they offered, so I really hope that it fits me. But I felt like a lot of dark people were reviewing it and saying that this was good for like, you know, melanin girls. So hopefully it's good. I'm just going to put it in the container that it's supposed to come in, but ColourPop wanted me to do the work, so I just did. This is really cute though, I like this. And then I finally got my hands on the ColourPop No Filter Concealers. I did get 3 of them because girl, these things were on sale. I ended up getting the shades Deep, well, okay, yeah, I got 2 of Deep Golden and 1 of Deep Tan, just because I wasn't really sure which one was going to be my shade. I felt like Deep Golden was going to be mine, but I just got Deep Tan just in case, and I got all 3. I am going to review them for you guys. Let me show you what these 2 colors do look like side by side, just so you guys can see the difference, but I'm going to review these 2 products. This is Deep Golden at the top and Deep Tan at the bottom. I feel like Deep Tan might be a little bit more pink, but we will test that all out. I definitely feel like I might go for Deep Golden though, so there's that. You just, you know, but I'm just very glad I got these on sale. Instead of paying $6 for these, I'm pretty sure I paid only $4 something for them. The next thing that I did get was the It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics collab. I was super excited to get my hands on this because it's such an affordable product. I also did get the brush set as well. This was very affordable. If you are looking for a really nice looking palette, I mean, like, obviously I haven't tried it, but I really love the shades, and I love the fact that it comes with like a contour highlighting little kit. And again, first reviews, first impressions are coming on all of this. I'm doing a full face of first impressions for you guys. And for the brushes, let's just open them up really quickly to see how they feel. This is a 9-piece brush set. Yes, and oh, this is so cute. They come really well wrapped. I'll do a first impressions on those as well. I don't really want to go through opening that right now because I feel like this video is just gonna be so long. I did get some really dramatic eyelashes. Let's see how these look on me. I feel like I'm definitely gonna have to cut these down, but I just decided why not. You know, like I said, I'm getting into eyelashes right now, so you know, I did pick up the Shiseido facial cottons. I got like 3 or 4 of these, but I can only find one right now. Love these so much. They're so great for toner and stuff. And that little pack is only like $5 from Sephora and Ulta. I did get some of the Patrick Starr matte collection. I got the Patrick's powder because I love baking my face, and Patrick taught me to bake my face, so I figured I had to get his powder. And I also got the lipstick in the shade Mama Star. I'm very excited to review both of these for you guys. I absolutely love Patrick. He's one of my favorite YouTubers, and when I saw that he was getting this collection with MAC, I had to go support him because I definitely think that he deserves this collaboration with MAC. He's such a great I just love Patrick, so I'm just not going to talk too much about that. Some other things that I got, I'm getting into lip products right now. I did get the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in the shade Uncensored, I believe. Love this. I did already wear it once. It's amazing. I also found a few of these where are they? Too Faced lipsticks at TJ Maxx, and I got these 2 shades. I got Melted Metallic Pony, and I got Metallic Frozen Hot Chocolate. Super cute. I think they'll be gonna be really cute as toppers. A few other things I got. Well, I got this Ardell lookbook of eyelashes. These are like, you know, the 3 best ones that they have. I absolutely love Ardell lashes because the band is super thin, and if you can't put lashes like me, you're gonna like a thin band because it just makes life really, really easy. Another thing that my other friend got me was this NYX basic eyeshadow palette. I think this is really cute. It also comes with a little liquid lip and a liquid liner. This is super cute, and some really nice cool tone shades in here that I'm really excited to play around with. We are almost done here. I got 3 of the new Sephora lipsticks. I got the shades Fireside, Golden Gate, and Icebreaker. I am going to buy a few more. I think I might buy 4 or 5 more of these so I can make a full lip swatch video for you guys. I got this eyeliner pencil from ColourPop, or eyeliner brush from ColourPop, because I needed to make my cart $30, and I just said whatever, let me just get it. I did get a few of these Morphe sponges. I got this one and this one. I will say this one's kind of like, it's soft, but it ain't that soft. So hopefully this one is better, because you see they're like 2 different shapes, and I'm just not really into this one. So we'll just have to see how this works, because this is no way a beauty blender. I can tell you that much. This is not beauty blender quality at all. So that other one better be better. I did also get the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in, what shade did I get? NW40. Super excited to use that. I don't use a lot of MAC products, so you know, whenever I do get some, I'm excited to see what happens. I also got a few Morphe brushes. I got the Morphe M433 and I got the Morphe M432. These 2 brushes here because my Ulta that just opened near my house has Morphe, and I kind of bought a few Morphe things from them. What else are we in here? I got this new Becca highlighter. This is in the shade Amethyst Flashes Geode. Let's just open her up and see what happens. The last Becca highlighter I bought definitely broke, which was my Prosecco Pop one. So hopefully the same thing doesn't happen. This is a really nice shade. Let me swatch this for you guys. Again, with that like pinky iridescent look. Obsessed. Obsessed. Let's just put this back in its box before it breaks on me. And then, what else do we still have here? I have the ColourPop. I got a ColourPop eyeliner or gel liner just to go with the brush that I got from them as well. This is the shade Swerve. I think it's like their black shade. It's very popular, I believe. And I also got the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I got the shade Medium Deep. I love their Shine Free Loose powder, so hopefully this does the same for me as well. And then the last product that I got were these little Real Techniques mini under eye brushes. I got these at like TJ Maxx for $2, so I was like, whatever, let me just get it. It's not like I really need these, but you know, makeup addicts and stuff, we just want everything. But yeah, those are all the products that I got for the new year, between Christmas gifts and things that I bought myself. I actually did not get any new foundations this year, but we'll just have to see how all of that ends up working out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment down below what Christmas gifts did you get, what new products did you buy. Just let me know, you know, and also let me know what type of videos you guys want to see with these products. Two things I did forget to mention that I got was I got the Boscia set from Sephora. It was with when they had the 20% off, and it has their like charcoal like cleanser and the setting spray and all that. It's like the all black one. I'll insert a picture here that I'll find online. I left that at my sister's house. And I also found this Peter Thomas Roth mask set that I found at Marshall's for like 30 bucks. And it has like the gold mask, the like cucumber one. It has like about 6 different masks in there, and I thought that was a really great buy. Something you should learn from this haul is go to TJ Maxx and Marshall's, because you will find a lot of name brand items there for the low. When I was at TJ Maxx recently, I saw this lady buying like Anastasia Beverly Hills, like liquid lips, contouring stuff, all that good stuff. They all go to TJ Maxx and Marshall's. So just find one or go to a few and see what they have in stock. But yeah, that is the end of this video. I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you guys have a really good week, a day, whatever, whenever you're watching this. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe.